Have you ever thought of what it would be to have a house that can fold? A house that folds sounds pretty insane. If you have ever thought about what the house of the world's richest man would look like, you might be disappointed to see the mini house he lives in. Elon Musk could afford to live anywhere he wants in the world, in the grandest mansion, but he decided to live in a small $50,000 house. Why? Keep watching to find out. Musk appears to be living in a $50,000 prefabricated tiny home just for product testing purposes. One would imagine that the world's richest man would like a house as big as a state, but not Elon Musk. The man seems to have other views, and we are befuddled. His current house was developed by an upstart firm called Boxable, which wants to improve its skill of prefabricated cheap housing. Musk is putting his house to the test in more ways than one. If he chose to, he could have downsized and lived in practically any location. Regardless, he chose Boca Chica, a vast flatland location 40 minutes from civilization. This area provides you with a taste of what it might be like to live on Mars in many ways. When you look at Musk's Mars plan, you'll notice that the homes don't look anything like Manhattan or normal homes in the suburbs. Building a home on another planet would obviously be different from what we are accustomed to here on Earth. To formally establish a colony on Mars, buildings would need to be constructed quickly and easily while using as little energy as possible. Colonizing Mars will involve a highly efficient procedure, similar to an assembly line but utilizing more advanced production techniques. The utilization of small, lightweight, and easily transportable materials compared to those used by Boxable would be one factor in its success. Looking at this house would give us an idea of what it would be like to live on Mars. Following this move, he sold all of his former residences. He said in May 2020 that he would sell nearly all of his belongings to fund the venture, and that he would no longer possess a home. Since then, the entrepreneur has sold his real estate portfolio, which was originally worth $100 million. This includes the sale of 3 adjacent mansions in Los Angeles' Bel Air neighborhood, as well as a former estate. This is a very shocking price to pay to actualize your dreams, but what can we say? So what is he currently living in? Let us look at Musk's new house. What is Musk's new house like? The Casita. Boxable's first model is most likely what Musk has right now. It isn't small though, in terms of the tiny house movement. The Casita Boxable home is for sale for $49,500, fully furnished. You only need a base to park it on, and then connect it to local utilities. The flats were built to be extremely energy efficient, having significantly smaller air conditioning systems than a normal home. They have a monthly electricity bill of around $28, since they use high R-value insulation at height and no thermal bridging. It definitely seems like something that Musk could want on Mars. Let's get more details on this house. It's about the same size as a converted double garage at 375 square feet. It's designed as a studio apartment with a full bathroom and kitchen. This house seems to have all the basic things that a comfortable home should have. Right out of the box, the Casita includes a full-size shaker-style kitchen with a huge fridge, dishwasher, oven microwave, and a modern breakfast bar for 2. You only need to buy a bed and a couch. Behind a stylish sliding door is a spacious bathroom with a shower tub, backlit mirror, and plenty of storage. There is also heating and air conditioning, as well as programmable LED lights beneath an incredibly big 8-foot window and an even higher 9.6-foot ceiling. This house is definitely something. Wait, there's more. It includes an open floor design with wide plank composite flooring in the bedroom, living, dining, and kitchen areas. It has a built-in ironing center, and all appliances are fitted with modern technology, such as integrated USB connections and power outlets. The exterior is built with a steel covering that is architecturally neutral and easy to customize after it comes to making it your own. Steel and concrete make Boxable virtually impervious to the elements. EPS foam and steel concrete were chosen since they are non-degradable and last a lifetime. Because the walls, floor, and roof are composed of structurally laminated panels, they are significantly more durable than a conventional size-built house. They're made of environmentally friendly magnesium oxide wallboard, which is utilized for fire resistance, mold and mildew resistance, and control. They've been designed to resist the harshest winds in North America. This means they can withstand hurricanes. Because the walls are completely bonded in one piece, they will not flex or split during transit, providing excellent sound insulation. Because they don't use wood or sheetrock, the building materials won't be harmed by water and won't mold, thus the structure won't be damaged in the case of a flood. They can also withstand snowfall. Casita was also built to withstand fire. Non-combustible materials are used throughout the interior and exterior, ensuring that your home will not catch fire if embers fly around. They ship anywhere in the world. The unit exceeds the norms of any construction code, and the modular permission they have within the US reduces local inspections because the designs have already been pre-approved. Boxable is totally made and finished in the factory. The house folds down from 20 feet to 8 feet wide and can be transported by truck, rail, sea, or air anywhere in the world. You might be wondering, why did they choose 8 feet? It is quite small for a whole house. Well, this is the key to substantially reducing delivery costs. They built it to fold up so little to avoid high shipping fees and other complications that come with delivering anything larger. It takes less than 2 hours to unfurl once delivered, allowing you to leave an empty light on and return to a fully finished home. It unfolds, plugs in, and presto, you've got yourself a new home. A fashionable and imaginative residence with high-quality constructions, large rooms, and high ceilings that is both affordable and easy to build. It is also completely furnished. This is precisely the type of thing Elon Musk enjoys. It's clearly why he went for Boxable. Many industry analyst groups and environmental groups believe that, like Boxable houses, the future of the real estate sector and its design processes will be totally modular. Home ownership is the last thing on young professional minds, but with swelling student loan debt and skyrocketing real estate costs, it's becoming increasingly difficult. However, these kinds of houses seem to be extremely affordable and sustainable too. If Musk were to put these Boxable houses on Mars, then housing won't be a problem when setting up the Mars colony. You can also decide to own one of these houses here on Earth. They are more affordable. Due to a pandemic-induced large suburban movement, average property values in certain localities have increased to about $2 million. The median home price in the United States is $270,000 by comparison. These houses are selling for more than what they were listed for. Since Boxable houses are more convenient, why not choose them? We still don't understand why the richest man in the world would sell all his real estate assets to downsize this hard. But we guess when you have a lot of money, you just want to do whatever. What do you think about this house? Would you like one? Let us know your thoughts in the comments section. If you enjoyed watching this video, please give it a thumbs up so that we know you loved it. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of our uploads. Thanks for watching.